Welcome everyone, this is Btech Graphics Design Tutorial 1. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you the basics, how to download your CorelDraw and how to install your CorelDraw. Now CorelDraw is one of the tools, packages used for graphics design. There are several other packages such as we have Picasa, Photoshop and others, but I'll be specializing on CorelDraw graphics design. Now, to download your CorelDraw graphics design, you simply open your browser. And in your browser you type download CorelDraw. So you're gonna download your CorelDraw. There are several versions of CorelDraw, but for the basis of this tutorial I'm going to be using CorelDraw 13. So this is your page. The first link you see on your Google, when you click it, it will take you to the CorelDraw official page. Now there are several versions. As I said, they started from version 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 to 18. The latest version is Corel 18, and I'm going to be using Corel 13 for this tutorial basically, and we'll be saving our document in Corel 13. Now the next tutorial after this one, I'm going to show you how to save your CorelDraw. It's very important for you to know how to save your CorelDraw in lower version, so that it will be able to open when you want to open it with higher version of CorelDraw. So this is the official page of CorelDraw, and this is download now. When you click on this button, it will download your CorelDraw, and the latest version is Corel 18. Now I'm not going to download it because I have CorelDraw on my system already. Now when you click on download, you download it, then you install. You click install and follow the instruction given to you. Now after downloading your CorelDraw, the next thing is to launch it, which I'm using Corel 13, same thing as Corel 18. This is how it will be. In case you cannot find it on this menu bar, you go to all programs, and under all programs you look for CorelDraw, and this is CorelDraw, and you click on CorelDraw. Now after you've installed it, you launch your CorelDraw. I'm launching my CorelDraw already. I told you I'm going to be using Corel 13. It does not matter if you are using Corel 15, any version. What matters is for you to be able to understand the basics of CorelDraw. Now when you launch your CorelDraw, this is the first thing it will bring to you. This is how it will look like, and here you can click on new. You can open the recent project. As you can see, these are the recent projects I've been working on, and you can open some other projects too. Now for the beginners, you click on new, that is new project, and when you click on new, it's going to bring you a new environment. And I'm going to explain the new environment to you, and we'll continue in the next tutorial. This is a new environment. As you can see, this place is your work area. This is the real page. As you can see, page 1, I can add another page by clicking here, page 2. So this is your real work page, and here is called the menu bar. This is a menu bar where you have your file, edit, view, layout and others. This place is your property bar. This bar is called the property bar, and this place is called the tool bar. In all versions of CorelDraw, there are two bars. There are property bar and menu bar. There is one other bar that should be shown that is not shown, which I'm going to add. In case you cannot see any of the bar you need, just right click on here and you see I'm going to add standard bar, and this is a standard bar. Standard bar is a very important bar as well that we use. This is the standard bar, and here is the property bar. So as you can see, this is your standard bar. I want to arrange it so that I can have a better view of it. So this is the arrangement. This is the menu bar, standard bar, property bar, toolbar. Here is a status bar. It's called status bar. This is the color bar. Here too we have the color bar. There's difference between this color bar and this color bar. This color bar is a CMYK, cyan, magenta, yellow, black color palette, and this is RGB color palette. This place is called the RGB color palette. In the next tutorial I will show you more of I will explain to you how to set your page and explain to you the usefulness of this tool here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Btech Electronics, or contact us at our mail btechelectronics1@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.